What's up guys, my name is Bart and this is the Komar Project. Today we're making this beautiful woodworking mallet that is stabilized with some epoxy made out of a log and some pallet wood. This just isn't good enough for me. Let's go have some fun. Alright, so I got some pieces here picked out, and I have no idea what I'm going to use yet. But this is quarter sawn oak, and it has really cool holes in it, which I like, and I don't know where they're from, but that might look really cool with some black epoxy in it. Also, I have this really pretty piece of walnut that has this really cool figuring, so we might use that for the head. I don't know. Either way, let's get to making. there you go, guys, a mallet you can definitely be proud of. I've been using this thing for about a week and I absolutely love it. I had some issues with the wedges, that's why I went from 2 to 3, but it doesn't take away from the functionality of this mallet, and I think it looks a little bit better. So this mallet is one of 2 that I made during this process, and the other one is made out of the oak that I showed you at the beginning of the video. I figured it's the same process for both mallets, so I didn't want to bore you with 2. But if you want to see that video, go ahead and let me know in the comments section below and I'll make sure to put that out. And finally, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you guys along for this ride. Thank you so much for joining me on my experience. I will see you guys next time.